This is category 5 and it's suite 208. Walking in, you've got places for your quiet box and other storage space. I'm going to give you a quick left to take you into the bathroom. You have your rain shower, hand shower. Here's your door. Place for the towels right inside here. Plenty of storage. And again, when you open up storage above the sink, this is where you're going to find those plugins for some additional electricity. Now let's go over here. Here's all your storage. You've got hanging and drawers, more shelving, and plenty of mirrors. Again, storage. Here's your bed. You've got an area here to store some of your tabletop things, complimentary water bottles, more storage under here and in here, and your windows, your patio doors that will open up and bring you out to the river or bring the river in to you. And of course your TV angles, it's going to make it nice and comfortable for you.